Hey, I see the look. I see it. Come on.
This is like when we started dating.
I don't think that's true.
Dude, I had to ask you out.
Well, excuse me for waiting. You ever hear of chivalry?
Listen, this is about you getting what you deserve. I'm killing myself at school because I think it's gonna be worth it for both of us. You know, if we move in together.
Wait, what? What? Wait, hey. What was that? What'd you just say?
Well, I mean, we can't keep, laying pipe at your dad's place, trying to be all quiet, staring up at that dumb Billy Joel post. Poster?
Hey, don't you ever besmirch Billy.
I can't stop.
Robin?